Welcome back to my channel, everybody. My name is Emily Conway. I am a reseller. I resell on eBay, Mercari, Poshmark, and Facebook Marketplace. I am getting a lot of questions about Facebook Marketplace shipping and how to print shipping labels through Facebook Marketplace. I'm going to show you how I do it through Pirate Ship, and hopefully it will help anybody starting out on Facebook Marketplace shipping. You will see my whole process from start to finish. So I hope this is helpful. Let's get into it.
All right, guys, so here we are. We are going to first go to our Facebook Messenger app, and we will see that this person has started a pending order. First thing that's going to happen is you will receive this message saying that the person is ordering your item. This will happen suddenly and out of nowhere, just like eBay or any other platform. So you're going to get this notification. So next thing that you need to do is go to your Facebook, you go to Marketplace, then you click on the profile icon, which looks like a little guy at the top left here. And you're going to go through and you're going to see that you have one order. It's right there in blue. So you click on shipping orders and there is your item. Now I'm protecting the person's identity and their address. So I'm just going to tell you, you click on it and it's going to show the person's address. There's no copy option, so you just have to manually add the address into Pirate Ship. This is what I use for my shipping labels. You go to pirateship.com and you make an account. So there's Pirate Ship. So the address was entered. You just enter it in like any address. And now I'll show you the length and the weight of the package. So we're going to be as accurate as possible. So I'm going to show you that quickly. I grabbed my Miss Me jeans from the inventory. I have my scale. This is just a very basic scale from Amazon, nothing major. You can see I put my coffee on there sometimes. All right, so yeah, we're just going to carefully weigh it. So the weight is 1 pound, 8 ounces. It is really important that you get the right weight because they could come back to you and you would have to pay more. So if it's over a pound, it's priority automatically. So you put it in the priority. I could put it in the priority. It will probably fit better in there actually, as opposed to this. I don't think that'll even fit really in my basic one. You could do either of these, but I'm going to use the priority envelope. So we'll get this packaged up. I'm not usually this accurate in all of my orders, but because this is an official tutorial, I will show you me measuring it with the length and the width. So the length here, there we go, it's about 11 and a half. So 11 and a half. And I folded this priority mail envelope a little bit, so it's going to be shorter than what it says officially on the envelope. So it's about 12 and a half. So 12 and a half, as you can see there. But there's the length and the width. So 11 and a half by 12 and a half. So I'm going to punch that in. All right, so we're going to switch the box or rigid packaging. We're going to switch that to the envelope. And then we do 11 by 12. That's as accurate as it really needs to be. We weighed it, 1 pound, 8 ounces, and then you get your rates. Now that's going to be our rate, $9.56. So you buy your label. You will have to put in your credit card information ahead of time, and it will save that for you. It's a very simple, easy method is Pirate Ship. And then you print your label.
So I hope this was helpful to anybody out there who's looking to start shipping through Facebook Marketplace. I have not had any problems doing it so far. It does take a while for your money to get to you, I do have that to say, but overall it's been pretty solid for me. I haven't had many issues, if any, so I hope this was helpful. And if you want to follow me and my reselling content, you can subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up if you like this video, if you found it helpful. If you do have any more questions, I do have my information in the description below. You can find me on Instagram too, EmilyEConway, and I hope you guys have a good rest of your day. Bye-bye!